2026 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, entertainment system, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Take home the car of your dreams today.